Hello everybody, we are here in Bulgarian restaurant. We're gonna try some Bulgarian food. This is our first time we're gonna try the Bulgarian food to see how's the taste. As of now, we ordered some zucchini cocktail, which is just like pancake, but I don't know. We're gonna try that. I ordered that. That is a Bulgarian style, and another one. That's seafood mix, that's Bulgarian style too. It's a calamari, shrimp and octopus with their special sauce. And their famous traditional food, which is the tell me to get it, is exactly Bulgarian food, which is everybody ordering, is Balkani style meat. Okay, here is appetizer is here. That's the zucchini fry. So that's the sauce too. We're gonna try to see how's the taste. This is the way it is. So I'm gonna taste to see what kind of vegetable is that. It's good. Very good. You should try it. Okay, we're gonna try Bulgarian mixed seafood. So let's try first with octopus. This is an octopus. Spread in the sauce. It's tender, they fry it. It doesn't even taste like very seafood. So some people they don't like the fishy taste. It doesn't taste like that, so it tastes good. Now I'm gonna try shrimp. I'm gonna grab one. Kind of hard getting off. So dip it in the sauce. Not time for trying calamari.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel.
Okay, this is their traditional Bulgarian mixed food. So we're gonna try this first. Both is a little bit salty, so it has a salt. I don't know why. This is has some spices on it. This one not. So this is like Middle Eastern küfte kebab. This is like a kubide, Middle Eastern kubide, but all of them is with the pork meat, but a little bit is salty. Let's try the other one. Okay, this is the shish kebab, kind of shish kebab. So let's see. Pork chop. Okay, we were in Bulgarian restaurant, as I said in earlier. So we try some their traditional food. So if I say overall, it tastes good, but their food is a little bit was salty, and most their food is fried. So I did not see anything like a regular barbecue, like on the charcoal grill, because the meat they brought, as I see other table too, their shish kebab stuff is still on the fried grill. It's not the grill grill. So for me, it's okay. If I say from 10 what number I should give, I will give 7. So try. Maybe you guys like the taste.